Looking for a family home, a work-live space, or an investment property? Well, look no further. 12929 Jesse Road in Madeira Park has it all. This 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom house sits on a sunny south-facing lot and has an excellent open concept floor plan. The kitchen has a huge island and 4 appliances, including an Italian gas cooktop. The primary bedroom has a luxury 4-piece ensuite with a 2-person soaker tub and a separate walk-in shower. Downstairs is a 4th bedroom, a 3rd washroom, and a kitchenette. Another patio door provides access to your fenced yard. You're a short 3-minute drive from the shops and other amenities offered in Madeira Park. Here you'll find a grocery store, a bank, a pharmacy, and a number of restaurants. Madeira Park also has both an elementary school and a high school. If you own a boat, there are a number of marinas in the immediate area as well as a boat launch. Let's head back to 12929 Jesse Road and walk through the property. Starting from Jesse Road, we walk down the driveway and past the double detached garage before climbing the steps to your front door. We're greeted by an incredible kitchen with 4 appliances, a massive island, and a stainless steel ceiling-mounted hood fan. Leaving the kitchen, we see a dining area with room for a large table, and on our right is a living room with a fireplace and lots of windows. A back door leads to your 2nd-level deck that overlooks the backyard. Back inside, we return to the front door where we came in and see a full 4-piece washroom. Past the stairs and down the hall is bedroom number 1. There are laminate floors and a big window. Across the hall is the 2nd bedroom. Another large window overlooks the backyard. At the end of the hall is the primary bedroom suite with a big window and twin closets. This is also where we find your private 4-piece ensuite washroom. Back in the foyer, we take the stairs down to the lower level. Our first stop is the combined storage, utility, and laundry room. There's a workbench as well as a 3rd full washroom. The washer and dryer are only a couple of years old, and there's a wet certified wood stove. In the back corner is a flex space that could be used as a storage room or a home office. Cutting across the rec room, a set of sliding glass doors opens to a covered patio and provides access to your backyard. Returning inside, we see that the rec room has a kitchenette, including a sink and a full-sized fridge. We end the tour of the home's interior in the 4th and final bedroom. Outside, we find a backyard with a detached bunkie, a deer-proof veggie garden, and a fire pit. There's also additional parking space for your RV or boat. The home has been well maintained. Its septic was pumped 1 year ago, the hot water tank and furnace are only 4 years old, and all but 5 of its windows are new. 12929 Jesse Road in Madeira Park is a must-see for those wanting to live or invest on the Sunshine Coast. Hurry and call Realtor Jillian Dueck before you miss out.